Spinal cord injuries can be some of the most complex cases that exist. The spine is such a fragile aspect of our body, and the consequences of an injury can have untold and unknown symptoms. The reality is that even today, we are still learning about the marvel that is our spine and the involvement of all the nerves. One of the things that's important, especially for our clients that come in to discuss a workers' compensation or personal injury case, is that we want to educate people on what the spine injury means to them. Now, look, I'm not a doctor, but I've effectively gotten a minor in medicine after handling these cases for 20 years. And as a doctor, I can't give you my expert opinion as to causation or relatedness, but I am going to give you the tools that you need to make sure that your doctor can provide you with a clear opinion as to what's going on with your body. One of these examples is something called dermatomes. I encourage you to look these up on Google, but it's a clear indication to the doctor of where your injury is. Now, first you'll go to the hospital and they'll obtain x-rays, and the x-rays will give you a clue as to what's going on with the bones, but there's so much more involved in the spine with the discs and the nerve. In order to do an evaluation properly, an MRI is required. That's going to tell you whether or not there's any disc damage. And if there is disc damage, you then need a nerve conduction study to determine whether or not there's any nerve root impingement as a result of your injury. But getting back to the dermatomes, if somebody goes into the doctor and claims their entire leg is in pain, the doctor automatically sends up a red flag because your leg is actually controlled by 5 different nerves. So when you complain about pain on just your thigh, but no other pain anywhere else on your leg, then the doctor's going to know, aha, I do have a valid claim here. When it comes to the spine, there are too many variables for us to prepare you for every possibility. But we want to make sure that you understand the importance of what impact this has, not only on your pain, but also the function of your organs. Having a firm understanding of how the spine impacts your body, including your nerves and your organs, is going to give you the best opportunity to communicate clearly with your doctor to make sure you have the best recovery physically that you can possibly have. Once we obtain that maximum physical recovery, because this is the only spine you're going to have for your lifetime, then we can start talking about the value of your case and your financial recovery. Thank you for taking the time to review this video, and we want to come alongside you during this very difficult time to be your best friend on your worst day. Your best friend on your worst day.